Hi everyone, I'm the Educated Natural. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my step-by-step process to set up member-only live streams. Now, if you are new to monetization, or maybe you've just never did a membership only live before, then this is going to come in handy for you. So grab your notepads and your pen so you can write down the process. It's very simple to do, but if you've never done it before, you may think it's a little bit complicated, but it's not. Follow these steps and you will be on your way to setting up your very own membership only lives. That's right. If you have active memberships on your YouTube channel, you can easily have one-on-one private conversations with your members. So this is the steps that I take to set up my very own membership lives, and you can do the same. So let's get into it. Now, step number one is you need to go to whatever platform that you live stream from. In today's tutorial, we're going to be using StreamYard. So first things first, head over to your StreamYard, and I'll bring it up on the screen so you can follow along with me. Here I am on my StreamYard back office. Now, the very first thing you need to do is where you see create, click there. You will see the options there. And since we are going to be setting this up for a future live stream, you'd click live stream. Now, being that this is going to be a members only live stream, we're not going to select any of the things here other than where we are going to be streaming this live stream members only at. So in my case, YouTube. So I'm going to click YouTube. Here is where you would enter in the basic information that you would add in if you were doing any other StreamYard. So since this is a members only that I'm going to be setting up, I'm just going to title it members for simplicity. You can go here and add a description if you like. Now, this is very important. Go to your privacy area here, click on it, and put this particular video as unlisted. Now, in my case today, I'm going to be scheduling this for a later date. But if you're going live today or the day that you're setting this up, you don't have to schedule it. You can just click create live stream. But in my case today, in this example and tutorial, I'm going to be scheduling this for later. Now, you need a thumbnail because, like I said, we're going to be streaming this on YouTube. So let me get a thumbnail really quickly. Let me find a thumbnail really fast here. And we will continue. And there's one right there. Okay. All right. Now, once you find your thumbnail, you make sure all your positioning and size is correct. You hit apply. And there it is. Now you have to select the date and the time that you would like this stream to be scheduled for. So in my case, I'm going to schedule it for the 15th because me and my members meet on Sundays. The time for me is already almost set, not quite. You select your own time. That's the time I'm going to set this up for. I am Central, so that's why you see CDT right here. But whatever time zone you are in, it'll automatically set to that. So then you hit create live stream. So now what has taken place is StreamYard has now, as you can see, set the live stream up right here. You see it at the top. It tells you when you create it, which for me is today at this time, and it's scheduled for this particular date, okay, and time. Now, that's step one. That's the StreamYard setup. Now we have to go over to YouTube to finish the process. So let's head over to YouTube. Here we are on YouTube, and this is my YouTube page. Now, if you haven't already become a part of my family here, I invite you to subscribe in order to do so you can get all these juicy nuggets right from me instead of having to watch a video. But so here we are on YouTube. Now we're getting ready for the second part of the process. Let's get into it. At the very top, you will notice a button that looks like a camera. It says create. You click there. It gives you three options. The option you're going to select for today's tutorial is go live. Click go live. Get rid of that. You'll see some options over here. What you're going to have to do is click manage on the left-hand side. You see manage. Click there. Here you will see your scheduled live stream for your members that you just did in StreamYard. Right here. It's going to have the same title you just set up in StreamYard. So look for that one. As you can see, I have another one that's already set up. And this is the one that's after that one. What you would do then, make sure you're on the right one. Check the date. Okay. You'll see here it says unlisted. Remember, this is how we set it up in StreamYard. You have to set it up as unlisted because when you get to YouTube, you will click here and you will find the option for private, unlisted, members only, and public. Remember, we're setting up a members only live stream. So you will click members only. And it tells you here, all channel members will receive this notification. And you would then click publish. Now, it's telling you it has been created. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, you are all set. Now, if you want to turn on monetization for this, you can as well. And there you have it. Now, taking those simple steps is exactly how you set up your members only live streams using StreamYard. So if you do members only live streams on Facebook, YouTube, you can take these same steps to set your very own membership live, just like I just did. If you don't use StreamYard, maybe you use TalkStudio, aka Melon, or you use OBS, you take pretty much the same exact steps. If you would like for me to do a follow-on video showing you how to use OBS in this way, or TalkStudio, aka Melon, just leave me a comment below and I can do another video showing you how to take those steps as well. I really hope this video is helpful to you and will help you set up your very own membership live streams. Thank you for being with me today. If you're curious about how you can become a part of the family here on my channel, The Educated Natural, all you have to do is go to www.youtube.com/@TheEducatedNatural. You'll find my channel that I just showed you. Or if you're already on YouTube and you're just looking for me, just look for The Educated Natural. Hit that join button. You can join my membership. And of course, you can subscribe to my channel. We'd love to have you there. Until my next video, as I always say, make sure you connect with me social media-wise, The Educated Natural, as well as visit my website at theeducatednatural.com. Until the next time God allows us to meet, as I always say, be blessed Continue to be a blessing to others. Until the very next time, enjoy your journey.